I don't know about you guys, but recently I've been seeing more and more stuff about TamilMV. So I started looking into it naturally, and I was surprised by just how popular it is. Oh, sorry, I almost forgot that not everybody spends their days glued to the screens like me. TamilMV is one of those really popular online platforms that you'd be steered towards if you are obsessed with movies and foreign cinema, especially Bollywood. But we live in a world where things like copyrights exist. And whatever your opinion may be, TamilMV often faces restrictions and bans, changing URLs, etc., essentially making it challenging for users to access its content directly. And this is exactly where the use of proxies becomes crucial. But before we start, let me address the elephant in the room. This video is strictly for informational purposes. We do not endorse any activities, obviously including any illegal activities, products or services. In this sense, you guys are each solely responsible for complying with the applicable laws, including intellectual property laws when using our services or relying on the information that we provide you with. Simply put, we do not accept any liability for damage arising from the use of our services or information contained on this channel or our website in any manner, except where explicitly required by law. Now, with that out of the way, what are TamilMV proxies? Well, whenever there's a user trying to circumvent internet censorship when accessing their favorite movies or TV shows on TamilMV website, these proxies act as your digital secret agents, slipping right past internet roadblocks to grant them access to TamilMV's treasure trove of entertainment, whatever the current URL is. TamilMV proxies act as a bridge between the device and TamilMV website. This is when you see people searching for terms such as TamilMV unblock proxy or TamilMV proxy site. That way, you have a much better chance at finding a properly working site and avoiding any duds and defunct ones. But let's dive a bit deeper into what exactly TamilMV proxies are and why they are crucial for any avid torrent user. Now picture this, Johnny is craving a movie marathon, but when he tries to visit TamilMV, he's met with the dreaded site blocked message. Johnny tries to open the site in a different browser, but that just leads to ever more frustration. And if there's one thing that we don't want, it's for Johnny to get angry, right?
Here's Johnny!
That's where TamilMV proxies swoop in to save the day. TamilMV proxies cloak Johnny's online identity, making it seem like he's accessing TamilMV from a completely different location altogether. This way, Johnny is able to not only bypass pesky internet restrictions, but also shield his own privacy from prying eyes. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do these proxies work their magic? Well, it's quite simple, really. When you connect to TamilMV proxy, your internet traffic is rerouted through a remote server before actually reaching TamilMV website. This simple yet clever maneuver masks the real IP address, making it appear as though Johnny's connection originates from the proxy server instead. It's like taking a secret tunnel through the digital landscape, bypassing any obstacles in his path. But why go through all this trouble? Why not just access TamilMV directly, right? Well, unfortunately, many internet service providers and government authorities impose restrictions on torrent sites like TamilMV, citing piracy concerns, which often results in sites like TamilMV being blocked by ISPs. TamilMV proxies provide a simple workaround, giving its users unrestricted access to their favorite content while keeping their online activities under wraps. But as with everything in life, there's a small print, a caveat, a price to pay. While TamilMV proxies offer a lifeline for accessing blocked content, which is obviously awesome, not all proxies are created equal. Enter free proxy lists, the tempting shortcut that promises unrestricted access but often leads to a digital minefield of risks and limitations. Sure, free proxy lists might seem like a convenient solution at first glance, but you never know what kind of hidden dangers lurk beneath the surface. Picture this, our friend Johnny stumbles upon a free TamilMV proxy list and rejoices at the thought of unrestricted access to his favorite movies. But hold your popcorn, because the reality is far from rosy. First and foremost, free proxies come with a hefty price tag. And I'm not talking about money, security and privacy. Unlike dedicated proxy services, free proxies often skimp on crucial security measures related to privacy, leaving any sensitive data vulnerable to prying eyes. And sure, you might be thinking, why do I even care? I was that naive once, but trust me, you should care. It's like leaving the front door of your own house open. You know, a welcome wagon for intruders to just waltz right in and take whatever they want. And privacy, just forget about it. Free proxies are notorious for logging your online activities and selling your data to the highest bidder, whether that's advertisers or, even worse, cyber criminals. Your online privacy becomes nothing more than a commodity, traded and exploited without your consent. And let's not overlook the third elephant in the room, reliability. Free proxies are like the unreliable friend who cancels plans last minute. They are almost stupidly notorious for sluggish speeds, frequent downtime, and uncanny knack for disappearing on you when you need them most. One moment you're happily streaming your favorite movie, the next you are stuck in a buffering purgatory, or worse, fighting off some ransomware.
A little slow tonight, isn't it?
But perhaps the most alarming risk of all is the legal minefield that comes with accessing copyrighted content through free proxies. Many countries have strict copyright laws in place, and accessing TamilMV through free proxies could land Johnny in hot water faster than he could say piracy. So before you dive headfirst into the enticing world of free proxies, tread carefully. The risks far outweigh the rewards, and your digital safety is not worth sacrificing for a few moments of convenience. But hold on, you'll say, didn't you just mention some dedicated proxies? And yes, indeed I did. The problem is that such proxies are paid, but honestly, that is about as bad as it gets. Essentially, you can say goodbye to all insecure proxies found on TamilMV Proxy lists. Pretty much all of these dedicated services offer secure connections, reliable access, and a much more robust privacy protection. So while the free TamilMV Proxy lists might be tempting, do you really want to risk it? Nah. I wouldn't. But look, I think I can do much better than that. I strongly believe in positivity, and honestly, even in a case such as this, there is light at the end of the tunnel, and because I'm a nice guy, I'll give you two amazing options. First one is TamilMV Alternatives, and I'll link one of our articles that will help you work out how to find the best alternatives, such as 123 movies, movie rules, and many others. The second one is a no-brainer, and probably one of the most popular options out there. And you got it, it's us. And sure, you could say, Ivan, of course you're gonna big up yourself, to which I just giggle and challenge you to prove me wrong. At the end of the day, RapidSeedbox is not just another run-of-the-mill proxy service. Sure, it's a paid service, just like those dedicated proxies, but miles better. Not only you're gonna get the ironclad security and unparalleled convenience, but blazing fast speeds too. Rather than paying for a simple dedicated proxy, you get a proper Seedbox with all of the features and way more. I mean, for starters, RapidSeedbox is not just a proxy. Comparing it to one is like comparing delicious mango to green beans. It's a comprehensive torrenting solution for anyone, whether you're a casual movie buff or a seasoned torrent aficionado. RapidSeedbox proxy list is pretty much perfect for using with TamilMV. But if you truly want to take it to the next level, you gotta try Seedboxes, our Seedboxes. Either way, we've got you covered anywhere on the planet. So we've managed to break the ice. What now? How do you securely torrent with RapidSeedbox and TamilMV? Well, first off, start by signing up for a RapidSeedbox account if you haven't already. Or if you must and have more money than sense, I suppose a dedicated proxy is still a better option than a free one. Next, follow the easy setup instructions. Once your account is set up, you are ready to move on to the next step, configuring proxy settings. For this, head over to the settings menu of your torrent client and locate the proxy settings. Enter the proxy details provided by RapidSeedbox, including the server address, port number, and authentication credentials. If you have a problem, just reach out. We are literally waiting here to help you. Then you just save the settings and exit the menu. Next, it's time to access TamilMV. Open your web browser and navigate to TamilMV website. Thanks to the magic of RapidSeedbox, you'll be able to access TamilMV securely and anonymously. All that is left is to start torrenting. It's that easy. But hold on, I wouldn't be able to go to sleep tonight if I hadn't warned you that there can be legal repercussions for using proxies to access sites like TamilMV in countries with strict copyright laws. So just be mindful of accessing copyrighted content without authorization. I would hate for you to get busted with fines or worse. Sure, proxies or VPNs and seedboxes can bypass copyright restrictions, but that does not exempt users from these laws. So if you can help it, use legal streaming services and support content creators directly. Take a second and support this channel too. Hit the like so that we know that you're enjoying this kind of content. And while you're at it, how about subscribing for some more in the future? I'll wait. Done? Good. And I almost forgot, congratulations, you have just unlocked the secrets to secure torrenting with RapidSeedbox and TamilMV. But seriously, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have an experience with TamilMV or any free or paid proxies, hit us up in the comment section below and let us know what you think. Alright, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.